To create a group chat on a mobile device, start by ensuring you are not inside a server. If you are, navigate back by pressing the arrow on the top left. Once you've done that, tap the bubble icon located at the top left of the screen. Next, click on the same bubble icon, which has a plus sign next to it, situated at the bottom right, just above where it says, You. After selecting this, choose the New Group option. You will then be able to select friends to add to your group. But note that you must have at least one friend in your friend list to create a group. If your account has no friends, you won't be able to proceed. However, if you do have friends, simply choose the ones you want to add and click Create. Once the group is created, any messages you send will be visible to all members of the group, making it a functional group chat.